Good evening, gentlemen. You have all been selected to carry out an infiltration operation codenamed Operation White Anvil. You will be deployed towards the outskirts of the Green Army stronghold. Your primary target is to locate and destroy the Green Army's artillery and anti-aircraft weapons. You will then need to disable their communications array and assassinate the Green General. After you set off the charges, we will have an extraction team waiting for you. You leave at 0600. Good luck, Delta Squad. Alright, men. Equip your silencers. Charge is primed, ready for detonation. Counting down. 3, 2, 1. That should get their attention.